Thinking about selling your home yourself to save on commission? I get it, it's tempting. But let's talk about what that decision actually cost you. First, pricing. Pricing it too high and your home just sits on the market, it scares off buyers and makes them wonder what's wrong with it. Price it too low and you're leaving real money on the table, sometimes tens of thousands of dollars. A good real estate agent doesn't guess. We pull comparable sales data, we track the market trends here in Southwest Florida, and price your home to actually sell. Then there's marketing. Posting on social media alone isn't enough, and it isn't a marketing strategy when it comes to selling your home. Professional photos, the right listing websites, and targeted promotion to actual buyers. That's what gets your home in front of serious buyers instead of just curious neighbors. And the paperwork. Florida real estate contracts aren't something you want to learn on the fly. Required disclosures, inspection agreements, and title issues. One mistake can delay your closing or open you up to legal trouble down the road. Negotiations are where a lot of self-represented sellers lose the most money. The agent representing the buyer negotiates for a living, and they will use every advantage that they can. Having someone in your corner who negotiates professionally changes the outcome. And don't forget showings. Staging your home, and making sure you're following local disclosure laws. There's a lot to manage while still living your everyday life. Selling without an agent might feel like you're saving money up front, but when you factor in pricing mistakes, marketing gaps, legal risk, and lost negotiating power, it often costs you more than paying for an agent ever would have. If you're thinking about selling, let's talk first. No pressure, just an honest conversation about what your home is worth and what selling it the right way actually looks like.